Welcome to Dr. J's Educational Videos, and today we are going to talk about creating a word cloud. You can create word clouds as a way to be able to describe different words and different mechanisms. What we're going to use today, we're going to create a word cloud, and we're going to use the app Phoetic. Ta-da! So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go on our phone, and you can see that I'm going ahead and I'm using a Reflector 3 app to be able to show the actual phone up on the screen. You can use this as an Android and you can use this as an iPhone. You can just go ahead and download those apps. But the one you want to use is you want to use Phoetic. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on Phoetic and I'm going to create a shape. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Phoetic. I'm creating a shape. You can create any shape that you want. I would suggest you use the ones that are here. When you go to like people, if you want to have all your words in that particular shape, you would pick the white option. If you want to pick where everything of the words is going to be on the black and it will just have the white just be empty, then you can do that as well. I would say that since you're using this for a presentation, that you would just use the white version, but that is up to you so that you can just have that object have all the words in it. And you'll see what I mean in a second. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use basic and I'm going to use circle. First thing I'm going to do, so I created a shape and I'm going to use circle. Now I'm going to create a word list. And I'm going to manually add those word lists in. And I'm going to just do yes. And I'm going to click on add so it adds to it. I'm going to click on no and click on adds to it. And then I'm going to go to. And I'm going to put because. And I'm going to put how. And I'm going to put where. And you're going to be like, is it actually working? Yes, it's actually working. If you scroll up, you'll see it. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to hit save. And I've saved my words. So those are my words that I have. I'm going to simply click on back. And you don't have to worry about like what order or anything like that. It will automatically take whatever the first order that you added to it, okay? Then you're going to go ahead and hit back, and you're going to adjust the settings. You can pick whether you want to have it low, if you want to have it medium, if you want to have it high, if you want to have it extreme. However you want to create it. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click on low. You can do horizontal, vertical, or octagonal, or free. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to keep on horizontal. And you can change the color. So you can go in here, you can change different colors you want to be able to have. You can also add the different awesome. And sometimes you get text messages when you do these videos, which is great. But anyway, so you can go ahead and you have different new color palettes that are here. And then you can go ahead and you can hit on settings and you can do PNG or you can do PDF. I would stick with PNG and PDF. Those are your two options. And so what do? The first thing we did, we went ahead and we created a shape, then we created a word list, then we adjust the settings, and voila, now we're creating a word cloud. That is my word cloud. I can go ahead and I can save it. Let's say I don't like it. I can go ahead and I can go back and I can adjust those settings. I want to go ahead and I want to make it so that it's horizontal, but I want to have it a little bit closer. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to generate it again. You can see it's a lot tighter, it looks a lot nicer. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to hit save. You always want to hit save first before you go and share it, that way you know you have it. Then you go ahead and you hit share, and I can go ahead and I can have it in my Outlook, and I can go ahead and I can put it in my email, and I can send it to someone, or I can save it to myself. And that is how you create a word cloud using Phoetic. And thank you for listening to Dr. J Educational Videos. Namaste.